English listening test for kids. Level 1, Test 7. 1. What's the weather like?
It's sunny.
What's the weather like?
It's sunny.
2. What do you have?
I have a red hat.
What do you have?
I have a red hat.
3. What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is pink.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is pink.
4. What is the dog doing?
It is eating.
What is the dog doing?
It is eating.
5. He likes cheese. He doesn't like tomatoes. He likes cheese. He doesn't like tomatoes. 6. What fruit do you like?
I like mangoes.
What fruit do you like?
I like mangoes.
7. What do you want to eat?
I want to eat potatoes.
What do you want to eat?
I want to eat potatoes.
8. There are 3 green squares. There are 3 green squares. 9. How is he?
He is sick.
How is he?
He is sick.
10. What is he doing?
He's jumping.
What is he doing?
He's jumping.